everyone, I just got my very first yarn box. This is for January 2016. Ooh, let's see what's in it. Okay, it's all wrapped up like a sub. Okay, I don't want to rip it. All right, I got to. Very, very excited. I got the sock box, I think's what I ordered. Okay, wow, that is a big hank of yarn. What is this? Oh, wait. Mosaic Moon. Created, colorway, exhale. Here's the information about the company. It's a fingering weight yarn, so I'm gonna make some socks. Artisan hand dyed yarn and fibers. Oh, that's so cool. Mosaic Moon, and here's all the information from the company. And this is a hand wash, tumble dry. Let's see, what is the fibers? It is 80% superwash merino, 10% cashmere, 10% nylon. Oh, and it feels wonderful. Okay, what else did I get in here? Happy New Yarn. We're over the moon to bring you this first YarnBox socks of 2016. Mosaic Moon has been creating artisan hand-dyed yarn since 2003 in charming variegated shades. Your beautiful skein of medium twist MCN, not sure what that means. It's 434 yards of 80% superwash merino wool, 10% cashmere, 10% nylon. So it's kind of like a bookmark, which I love to read, so that's awesome. And here's some more information. Oh, they've got a Ravelry group. And this is 10% off at Mosaic Moon. Use checkout code. There you go. Valid till February 29th. So I don't know if the code can be used more than once. I have a feeling it can. So anybody want to use this code, there it is. You got till February. It's a lot of yarn. Actually, I think it's the biggest like hank I've ever gotten. So it's cool. It's like it came with like a couple bookmarked. And there is, I can get a lacy sock pattern from the designer, a free download from Ravelry, which I will probably do that. That's awesome. Yay! Okay, this is awesome. I'm actually really excited about this. Okay, I will get started on a pair of socks very, very, very soon. Yay, I'm excited about this. Okay. Thank you everybody for watching, and don't forget, oh, there's something on the inside. We support small farms in favor of minimally processed wool fibers production. Oh, okay, it just tells more about their company. That's really cool. Okay, so anybody who has used yarn from this company, leave comments. Let everybody know what you think of it. If you have a subscription to YarnBox, if it's a different one than what I got. I just started with the sock box just to see what it's like. I've never done it before. We currently get Nerd Block every month, but I wanted to try something a little more for me. And this is right up my alley. I'm very, very excited to make some awesome, awesome socks. So, alright, okay, that's really all I have. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And questions and comments in the comment section below.